What's happening, Crypto Farm? Hope you're having a good Monday. As promised, welcome back to Love for Crypto. I'm Scott. This video is going to be the Bluetooth. I'm going to showcase the Bluetooth aspect of this device. I'm showing it here next to a Nano S. Size difference, pretty dramatic really. Going up to Bluetooth, you can see they've put a button where the hole used to be. And now the keyring goes through the actual device. So we'll get this out of the way, and I'll just show you. A lot of people are worried about this, but I'm telling you, it's almost exactly the same as putting it to another device with a USB, except the lead isn't there, and you can even just use a lead. You don't have to use a Bluetooth. So we just get this open, Ledger Live. Hopefully, no, not going to read me thumb. Basically, I've put XRP on it already, and it's synchronized. If I want to receive to that, it's going to try and connect. It's not going to, because it's not turned on. So it's not even showing me the received address at the moment, right? For that, so I literally can't even get to the address of that. If I go to Manager, try and get into Manager to manage my apps and device, it's not going anywhere. So basically we need to turn this on first, so just the two buttons. Just going to bring it on. I'm going to put my code in, if you bear with me. And tick, ooh. So we're in, XRP. So basically we're at Manager, and click Connect. Checking device authenticity, allow ledger. So press both buttons, going to allow it. Checking authenticity is what it says there. So we're going to add Ethereum, and it's installing. Please wait while the Ethereum app is installed. So again, this would probably go a lot quicker if I plugged the lead in. But I just wanted to show it's possible without it being plugged in. Like, that's legitimately putting the Ethereum wallet and app on the ledger without it being connected. Nothing but Bluetooth. So once that's complete, obviously it will come up on here and we'll be able to access it and then view the address that it's generated. It will be generating the wallet on the Ethereum network now, as it's a brand new one. Go to accounts. I'll put it there, yeah, have you, lad? Add account, Ethereum, Nano, open the app, boom, application is ready, version 127. So we'll just give it a minute to fucking bish bash bosh and synchronize, and we should get the addresses. Or the receive address. Ethereum, yep. Continue. Account successfully added. Go to accounts, Ethereum, receive, Nano X, connecting, and verify address on Nano X. So it's showing us the address and it's coming up on the Nano. We're going to make sure it's the same. Click across, approve. Application is ready. And now we've got an Ethereum address we can now send to. And we can go back to Manager and add any other coin we wish. So we could add Tron, install, or we've got to return to the dashboard. So it's not letting me because I'm in the Ethereum app. Right, so I'm going to have to quit that app, back to the dashboard, close and retry that. Oops, device is disconnected. Connection on the device was lost during an operation. Please try again. Seems to be having a few bugs on Tron. But it's basically that's basically it, guys, isn't it? Send and receive. I mean, we could click. It's processing. It's installing. So Tron's on its way to it now as well, and then we'd have to do the same. We go to the accounts page, add it to the accounts, we synchronize it, and we've then got XRP, Ethereum, and Tron. Just let this finish, and then I'll get one of the send address. I mean, I'm not sure whether it'll give me the send address until there's something in it, will it? It's not gonna. I'm not gonna have the option to send crypto out unless. So there's Tron's appeared on the ledger. I'm gonna add account, add accounts. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Ledger Live, not got Tron. Does that mean you have to go to the actual Tron app? So with Tron and TRX, guys, you might have to go to the actual. I think Tron have their own, but your ledger would be your key. So the same as this, your ledger be your key. I'll have to look into that, but without wasting any time. No crypto assets yet. Make sure the XRP app installers start receiving. Once you receive, you clearly get a send. Just account to debit. Yeah, if I click send at the moment, there's nothing even coming up because there's nothing to send there, is there? It's basically just come to the manager with it open. So once you're on Ledger Live, you want to download Bitcoin. It's just installing it now because it's fucking connected. But if it wasn't connected, it would ask you which ledger you wanted it to go to. You would then just connect this ledger, whether via Bluetooth or via the lead, and you're good to go. It might actually, that's a good thought. The lead's not double-ended, so the lead is for the laptop. It's not for your phone, your mobile device. Worth noting that. So I just had a little thought. Then would it be to go from this device to the mobile device? But it's not. It's for a desktop or tower or laptop. USB to USB-C. I think that one is in it. Go to accounts, and again we're on the thing here now. But unlike Tron, we should find Bitcoin here now. Ledger. Go over to Bitcoin. Enter Bitcoin. Application is ready. Couple of minutes, seconds, moments, whatever, and it bish bash bosh, boom, synchronizing. And then again we'll just get the address to verify it's generating the addresses. Don't forget, when you're opening a brand new wallet, you're actually generating an address on that ledger. That's what this is doing now. It's synchronizing the address, and there it is. Approve, and it's done. So application is ready with a verified address. I'm liking this, guys. I'm fucking liking it for the little mobile device. Yeah, granted, some of you might feel a little safer with this one. But again, if you have the lead and another device that it can be plugged into, it's no different than having that one and a device. You've still got to put your codes in. You've still got to multi-verify and approve this on there and then re-click it on there. And they're, in my opinion, they're as safe as each other. It's just what you want it for. Do you want to be able to get in to your ledger through your phone occasionally, or do you never want to be able to use Bluetooth? That does everything this one can do, but that doesn't do everything that one can do. That has got Bluetooth enabled. I've just showed it. It even adds the apps over Bluetooth. Yeah, it's quite impressive, guys. I like it. If you want one, as always, links in the description. Go and pick yourself one up. Let's get back to the dashboard on this and get it switched off. So we've already got a couple of currencies added on there now. It's just a shame there's nothing in them. Haha, power off. Jedi. So yeah, guys, really, I am impressed. I'm still quite surprised at how much bigger it is, just because it's Bluetooth. You wouldn't expect like a Bluetooth chip or feature to be that much different. But I guess they wanted the bigger screen as well, didn't they? The screen is much bigger now. Much bigger screen now. Yes, they ship out 28th, guys. So if you've ordered one, let us know what you think of it when they arrive. If you haven't ordered one and you want one, like I said, links in the description. Get on it. Your crypto can't be safe enough, really, can it? No matter how much you've got, whether it's £100 worth or 100 grand's worth, you need it safe. You want it in cold storage, offline. Get yourself one of these bad boys. Cheers, Ledger. Guys, we love crypto, we love Ledger, and we love you. Thanks. Have a great Bank Holiday Monday. Have a great week. This is just the start. I'll speak to you either later on or tomorrow. Peace.